Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to use Gemgala app. So the first step you have to take is to download the app from your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Having done that, the next thing you're going to do here is to open your home page. So right here on my home page, you're going to see my coin balance at the top left corner. You see my gem balance. I don't have any gem. That is why you're seeing the zero section there. So at this red keypad here, you're going to see the different patterns that we'll have for the game and how to play the different games. So you're going to see the tutorial option that teaches you about how to play the different games. You're going to see the block option here that shows you the different patterns that we'll have for the games. Now the next step you can take is to click on this bag option here, which is the second option there. So right here you can create a room where people join you, and when they love or have interest in your room, they are going to send virtual gift for you, which allows you to also exchange it for money. You can join a party from this section, listen to people, have chat with people, receive virtual gifts, and also send virtual gifts. You can also create your chat from this section, have chat with people, and also receive virtual gifts and also send virtual gifts from different people. The third one here is for you to see different people's moments. It's just like a story in Facebook. So here you're going to see different people moments from this section. So the fourth one here is where you see the different message that Gemgala sent to you or an individual sent to you. We have the cat icon here. So from this section you're going to see your gem balance from the green box here. From here you can withdraw your gem balance. You can also exchange to coin. You can also see your top rank monthly aims. You can also invite friends and aim from this section. You can also see your room gifts and its aims so far. You can see the yellow back. So from this yellow box you're going to top up by buying coin from this section, or you join any of the events so far in the app and aim from it. So the next step you can take here is to click on to scroll gently. So you can also invite from here and in from here. You just invite anybody that follows you from with your link will actually make you to gain from it. So you can sign in using your PK. You can see my level. From this my level option here, you can improve your level from level 0 to level 3, any of your choice. So you can see the different levels we have here. We have level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 to level 10. So each of them needs a particular amount of gains from the app before you can upgrade to this level. Also have the next one, which is the store. From this store option here, you're going to see the different frame that we have in the app. We'll have the top offers. From here, if you join this event and play this game, you can actually aim from it if you play it very well. So right here you're going to see the settings option. From this settings option you can change the language of the phone. You can change the language of the app. You can also clear cache, check your notification, block your list, and so you can even log out from that section. Now for my profile option here you can verify your face, complete your face verification, and also check your nickname or add a nickname. You can see your ID, you can change your region, your language, and also add your personal signature from this my profile section. So from here you can also see the number of friends you have, the number of friends you're following, the number of fans you have, and number of people that visit your app. Next you can also see the number of people here that withdraw today, and if you want to follow them, just click on the follow option here and follow that particular person. So guys, I believe with this guide you'll be able to use your Gemgala app, and note that Gemgala app help you to earn in different ways. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.